Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to find out the Laplace transformation of few functions where there will be a unit step function. When there will be unit step function, how to obtain the solution? Okay, we'll solve this example with a few trick and hints. Okay, so kindly follow the procedure. Very first, I want to know what are the properties which we have right now. What property we have? So that I'll take it here. When I take these properties here, then let us see what happens. Laplace transformation of f of Laplace transformation of u of t minus a is equal to what? E raised to minus as divided by s. Second, Laplace transformation of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to what? E raised to minus as into f bar of s. Fine. F bar of s. So, what to do now? Either of these two properties helpful to solve this example. Fine. So, we need to take these properties to solve the example. So, let us start with. When we see this example, it is almost same as what? It is same as first property. What first property says? Laplace transformation of unit step function. Sorry, second property. Because only u of t minus a, if it would be there, then I would have taken first one. But this is multiplied by some other bracket. That bracket will be treated as f of t minus a. In this case, I have to understand what is a. What is a? Therefore, I'll take the property we have Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as into f bar of s. So first we need to obtain f bar of s. But how do you get f bar of s of this whole thing, which is not possible right now? So what to do? Very first, what I'll be taking, other than unit step function, compare these two. Other than unit step function, whatever is there, that similarity, that comparison to be taken. So here it is f of t minus a. But in this case, a is equal to what? You can see it. U, from where it has to be compared. U of t minus a, u of t minus 1. So a is equal to 1. Therefore, f of t minus 1 is equal to this whole bracket other than unit step function. That is e raised to t minus 1 plus sine of t minus 1. But one thing we know, to get f bar of s, I need f of t. So when we need f of t, so replace this t minus 1 in such a way that it should be converted into t. Understand? Make this t minus 1 as a t. So what to do? T minus 1 as t if you want to do, then what to do? So replace or else put this t is equal to t plus 1. Understood? Put this t is equal to t plus 1. Then it becomes t plus 1 minus 1. Get cancel. I'll be getting t. Therefore, this function becomes f of t plus 1 minus 1 means f of t, which is equal to e raised to t plus sine t. Fine. So this is the function now. Apply Laplace on both sides to get f bar of s. Therefore, applying Laplace on both sides. So L of f of t is equal to Laplace transformation of e raised to t plus sine t, which is equal to Laplace transformation of e raised to t plus Laplace transformation of sine t. Fine. Therefore, this is nothing but f bar of s, which will be equal to Laplace transformation of e raised to t is what? 1 divided by Laplace transformation of e raised to t. Laplace transformation of e raised to at is by 1 divided by s minus a. Therefore, it is s minus 1 plus Laplace transformation of sine at, a divided by s square plus a square, but a is equal to 1 here. Therefore, it is 1 divided by s square plus 1. Fine. Therefore, I will be calling this property as 1. Therefore, from equation number 1, From equation number 1, what happens now? The equation number 1 says Laplace transformation of this whole thing, that is Laplace transformation of f of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 is equal to e raised to minus as. Okay, but a is equal to 1 here, so it is e raised to minus s into f bar of s. Okay, what is f bar of s? F bar of s is this thing. So therefore it is 1 divided by s minus 1 plus 1 divided by s square plus 1. Therefore this is the required solution. Thank you. In continuation with the same concept, I'll be taking one more example of finding Laplace transformation of unit step function. We can see here how to identify the given function is unit step function. You can see sum of the function, it may be exponential, it may be trigonometric or anything which is having a product relation with the product of u of something, u of t minus a pattern. Okay, so same thing, when we go for the solution for this, so we need to follow the same procedure which is followed for just now solved example. Same thing, either of these two results, if you compare with this, again this relation is like a second property, that is L of f of t minus a is equal to into u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as into f bar of s. Again what to do here? So again I'll be writing, we have a property which says Laplace transformation of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as into f bar of s. I'll be calling it as equation number 1. Very first, if you take the example, if you compare this example with this, then what I'll be getting? I'll be getting u of t plus a. Here it is u of t minus a. So in this case, we can see a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. Therefore, Laplace transformation of f of t plus 1, this we have to take. F of t plus 1 is equal to, t plus 1 is equal to this remaining. T plus 1 is equal to this remaining. What is that? T cube plus t square plus t plus 1. What do you do? Simple technique. U of whatever the bracket says, that you take f of that same bracket. Same thing. In previous what we have taken? We have taken, it was u of t minus a. So we have taken f of t minus u of t minus 1. We have taken f of t minus 1 is equal to this bracket. So here it is u of t plus 1. So take f of t plus 1 is equal to this. Laplace will be applied later. Fine. So where a is equal to minus 1. Fine. So again what to do? Replace this t plus 1 by t. How it is possible? To make this t plus 1 as t, because we need to apply Laplace transformation of both sides. For that what to do? Because we don't have any provision of applying Laplace transformation on f of t plus 1 pattern, we have a provision for Laplace transformation of f of t. So to make this t plus 1 as t, we need to replace or else put t is equal to t minus 1. Means if you put t is equal to t minus 1, it will become t minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, so it will be equal to t. Therefore, f of, if you replace this, then it becomes f of t is equal to, t will be replaced by t minus 1 the cube plus t minus 1 the whole square plus t minus 1 plus t. Now it becomes a bit complicated one, but we need to simplify by using the basic formulas. As per that, if you take, then this is equal to, it is like a minus b whole cube. What a minus b whole cube says, if the expansion of this will be what? T cube minus 3t square plus 3t minus 1 plus t minus 1 whole square expansion is what? That is a minus b whole square, that is the t square minus 2t plus 1 plus t minus 1 plus 1. If you simplify this further, it will be equal to, you can see t cube only one term, minus 3t square minus 2t, sorry, minus 3t square plus t square. So it is minus 2t square. Fine. 3t minus 2t. So t plus t, 2t. So it is 2t. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Therefore, f of t is equal to this. Apply Laplace on both sides. Then it becomes Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to Laplace transformation of t cube minus 2t square plus 2t, which means Laplace transformation of t cube minus 2 times Laplace transformation of t square plus 2 into Laplace transformation of t. Therefore, this is nothing but f bar of s. F bar of s is equal to Laplace transformation of t cube. Laplace transformation of t cube is what? 3 factorial divided by s raised to 4 minus 2 into t square is what? 2 factorial divided by s cube plus Laplace transformation of t means what? 2 into 1 factorial divided by s square. Okay, which is nothing but 3 divided by s raised to 4. 2 factorial is 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. That is minus 4 divided by s cube. Then this is 2 divided by s square. Fine. This is f bar of s. Therefore, from equation number 1, means from the given property, from this property, what it says? It says Laplace transformation of f of t minus 1, sorry, t plus 1 into u of t plus 1 is equal to e raised to minus as, but a is equal to minus 1. So e raised to minus of minus as it will be, then it becomes e raised to s into here 3 factorial, sorry, it is 6. So it is 6 divided by s raised to 4 minus 4 divided by s cube